bitch, are you kidding? This my type of living, yeah. Pulled up.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Devo. Welcome to my first vlog. How y'all messing with the fit, man? You know what I'm saying? I really missed to put it on. For real.
Okay.
But I can just cut to what I'm saying, right? But yeah, I've been wanting to do YouTube for a little minute, man. I just want to say, you know what I'm saying? If you want to do something, don't let no stupid roadblock stop you from doing what you're going to do. Just go ahead and do it, because for the longest, I've been worried about how I'm going to look, how I sound, stupid stuff like that, bro. So just, you know what I'm saying? Don't let that type of stuff just mess with you. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Devo. Come with my first vlog. No, I don't like that. What's good, YouTube? Welcome to my first. That's not. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Devo. Welcome to my first video. But this nigga got me finna sit in shit, bruh.
Bro, I spilled coke.
This nigga got shitty wipes on the seat.
I was door dashing.
And he got me finna sit on it, bruh.
And I spilled coke. How many new subscribers did you get after you posted that video?
Bro, them niggas some hoes, bruh. When I tell you, bruh, I had like 100-something views, bruh. I go in there, I got 22 subscribers. I come back the next day, I have 19. Who the fuck, who unsubscribed, bro? And it's funny, cause I don't even care, bruh. I don't care.
It's all good.
It's only 2 of y'all that. Why would you do that,
Who the
bruh?
fuck was
You went out your way.
I'm saying just to unsubscribe.
Just to unsubscribe. Like, you really a hater, bruh.
That really. You ain't got no video.
Right. Like, you didn't have no reason to unsubscribe. Like, you went out your way. That's okay, because when I get to 100K, y'all not going to be in no giveaways, no nothing. It's cool, bro. It's cool, bro. I apologize. After all, ain't I? Ooh. That Rolls Royce. Ooh, what's so funny? What you laughing at?
Oh, shit.
What?
I'm laughing at the bubbles.
What's wrong with him? Bro, I can really sing for real, bro. I ain't even try. Bro, go get that Camaro, bro, and then start that car content. Car content gonna go crazy, bro. I don't think y'all gonna be ready for that. YouTube, we back, bro. Went in there. Got our food out the bando. Show y'all what mine looking like. Bruh. It look good. I ain't even eat it yet. That lady, this his right here, bruh. That nigga got, his fat ass got 2 trays, bruh.
Bro, cause I wanted both. But no, the goddamn lady in there is annoying as fuck.
Bruh, she kept trying to
trying to
dance with us, bro. Like she was slick throwing that shit back.
She an old
I ain't even
she
gonna
old
lie.
lady, bro.
Old, bro.
Old lady.
Old. Throwing it back. I'm like, bro, what are you doing? Politely, I was politely telling her, like, I don't know how to dance. He the one that go to parties.
She don't.
I don't go to no parties.
She was not taking that shit.
Oh God, but she kept coming back.
I'm like, go
Kept
mess with them
coming
over there.
back.
Bro, there's other niggas in there. Like,
Oh God, it's other people in there. She kept coming to us, bro. I'm finna go ahead. I done already had one of the fries, but ain't really had nothing on it. This one got that seasoning on it. They ain't no
Don't get me wrong, this shit good as fuck. I need some ketchup and some goddamn ranch.
Bruh. It's another spot I want to go to, bruh. I forgot what it's called. No, it's like apartment 419 or something like that. They got some good food, it look like. But I got the lemon pepper with crack. I'm a crackhead.
Straight too.
I ain't even had one yet.
ranch.
You go ahead and try.
I need some ranch. I'm just dipping that bitch
Hold on.
Just dipping that bitch in the
Hold on.
What's up?
These hit.
I know.
But he's good, man.
I didn't need to just get this bitch in the song.
If you in Atlanta, go ahead and hit up the Vandal, bro. They valid. For sure.
You start running that lady. She's going to the damn.
Oh God, bro. So YouTube,
We gotta run. We back at Target.
camera died. So I'm calling off the phone right now. We finna go to this little car meet. And we can find it first. We hear it.
that shit.
We hear it.
Nah.
It's close.
That shit down that way.
I'm gonna catch y'all when we at the car meet. Narrow. What, the yellow one? Where'd the popo go?
Damn. I like how that shit flipped forward.
Got Firebird. Is it Firebird? Damn. Good. Shit. Why you gonna do that shit? Why you walk away? This shit hard as fuck.
But I told him too, man, you can get the 6,000. Yeah. That's the cheapest you can get the 6,000 right now. You can get a brand spanking new one right now. It's $550. No lens.
Okay, gotcha. But you can switch out lenses and shit.
He
brother?
rents it.
He's bro. He ever get one?
Look at it. You let us.
I want to get this yellow one, bro. This shit hard. What a Hellcat. I'm trying to get this goddamn Hellcat. Where is it? Oh, it's right there. Another 5.0. This bitch sexy, bro. This right here. I want a Camaro, but sometimes, bro, these Mustangs be looking too good, bro.
What is it? It's a Charger?
It's a Hellcat. How you miss the Hellcat? Hellcat. That bitch tough, bro. Oh, that's a GTR. Oh, shit. Yo, I gotta go look at that one, bro. Some of them niggas leaving. hella 5.0s. But that GTR is nasty, bro.
They can't see you eating.
Oh, God. Do it right now. Crazy down there.
One thing I am gonna put in that car, so I'm gonna get Apple.
Hell yeah. Wait, is it? He just got that, bro.
Oh God.
Nah, that ain't no GC though. I don't think so.
I don't say it.
Ooh, that's super hard.
It's a tuner car.
Subaru, I think.
That's the third time
12 pulled up. Oh my God. Thumbnail. 12 pulled up.
12 kicked us out.
Oh God. 12 clicked this out. I'm dead. Hey, bro, it was some nice shit cars though. I kind of, well, we gotta watch them leave, bro.
Yeah, they can't shut this bitch down.
Oh God.
It was good while it lasted. It's another pulley car?
Nah. Is it?
Nah. Wait.
It is.
Yeah, he undercover.
Ah, he lame. He
undercover.
lame. He lame, bro. He trying to catch niggas slipping, bro.
He came here for what that is.
He trying to catch niggas slipping.
Well, right now.
Oh yeah, that probably one of them sexy. Oh God,
There's
bro.
no violence going on.
We not doing nothing. Ain't nobody
It's
doing
all
nothing.
good energy out here. Ain't nobody doing shit. We're just enjoying cars. Some always got a. Damn, he's scraping. Fuck that guy.
Oh God. But them rims tough though. I ain't gonna lie. Ooh, better vet. Wait, is that the vet? That's not the vet. I'm tripping. That's the Z. But that's clean.
Watch 12 always fucking up.
Oh God.
I was looking at the fucking jail gun thing. That shit $68. But that shit not gonna come till the next fucking week. So I
Right.
can't even get it. I'm gonna go to
I
Amazon.
mean, you could. You could.
What?
Still get it.
I'm gonna be in Savannah though.
I know. 5.0.
I'll just get one. I just probably order one off Amazon.
It's hard.
I like this BMW.
Bro, this right here hard too, bro.
God.
Oh, but he got one of them foreign cars, exotic.
I was gonna say where the fuck the damn driver at?
He on the other side.
Oh God, I was gonna say. I bet that should be weird driving like.
Oh God, bro.
That should throw me the fuck off.
Bro, can't none of y'all do no burnout before y'all go, bro?
They really came and fucked with everything. And let me get a burnout.
But
They
they,
actually would do shit like that. They don't.
God.
Sometimes they don't just do it.
but them rims is hard.
Now let's get a burnout.
He said, nah. MB6 shit.
grizzly bear on his jump, bro.
Bro, that one, did it leave?
Nah, it's still over there.
Bro, I gotta get up close to that one, bro. Bro, I wanna get that pink one, bro.
I can see that pink car having gold rims on it.
But that would be hard, bro.
Well, I just seen like the light hit it and I thought it had gold rims.
Bro, look at the vet. That vet hard. Bro, we should've went over there, bro. That vet too sexy.
Side, I'm giving one.
Okay, bye.